Hi, this is Dean from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07 3848 1382. Today we have a 2012 Toyota Kluger. Stock number is 4518. This shape runs from 5th month 2007 up till the 2nd month 2014. It has a 2GR FE 3.5 litre petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. Here is the 2GR FE 3.5 litre petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front of the car. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloys. Left-hand mirror has scratches, isn't in good condition. Left-hand front door is damaged. Vehicle is fitted with factory Toyota side steps. Left-hand rear door also damaged in the accident. Left-hand rear 17-inch factory alloy rim. Left-hand taillight. Rear bar is in good condition, is for sale. Tailgate auto lift, has a few dents in it, suits a good private. Comes complete with your garnish, also your wiper arm. Right hand tail light. Right hand rear factory 7-inch alloy rim. Right hand side factory Toyota side step. Right hand rear door is also damaged. Same with the right hand front. Right hand door mirror has a few scratches but is in good condition. Right hand front 17-inch factory alloy rim. This vehicle is fitted with factory black cloth seats. Center console lid has a tear in it. Center console, automatic gear stick. Passenger front seat. Passenger side sun visor. Courtesy light with sunglass holder. Interior mirror. Factory Toyota vinyl steering wheel with audio and cruise controls. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Dean from Total Parts Plus.